Before I start the video, I'd like to request to all women to keep that idea or keep that judgment that men don't understand women somewhere else. I surveyed many women, working women, then housewives, and I found out some top reasons which are making them feel they're tired. Sometimes they feel sloppy at their workplace, sometimes they feel like they don't want to do anything, they're running out of energy. So I found some reasons with the solutions. So if you are a mother and you feel tired all the time, you need to stay till the end. So the first thing is, mothers are the root for every generation. We all know that. So to keep that root strong, we need to nourish it, we need to nurture it, we need to give those proper nutrients. So what is our first reason? So the first reason is not starting their days correctly. These days are not planned, and when it's not planned, you get stressed. You feel like a lot of things to do, and just by thinking, you get stressed, you get tired. What you can do instead of that, you can plan your day earlier in the night. The second thing, they directly jump into the flow. They directly jump into the flow. That means that they directly start working. They don't keep that initial time for themselves, which is the essential for your recharge. Like mobile and all gadgets, we need some time to recharge it. So initial time, the starting time of your day should have that recharge time. So for that, you need to do some meditation, you need to stretch yourself. See, when you wake up from bed, you need to do something. You need to stretch your body, you need to send that signal to your brain. Then only your brain will send a signal. The exact kind of hormones will start secreting, and that will give you the energy. So you need to make your brain feel that by stretching, by some yoga. So you need to give at least 10 minutes for meditation and 20 minutes for yoga or some kind of exercise. Right breakfast. What do I mean by right breakfast? Right breakfast means, people understand that right breakfast means some bread, some multigrains or some cereals, and even sometimes they also mix up fruits with that. But you need to understand that fruits have some different enzymes. It's better to have fruits in empty stomach. At least there should be a gap when you have fruits and any other food, because when you have your fruits with all other things like your chapati or rice, the nutrients what we have from fruits, that get destroyed. So you need to have fruits at least like 45 minutes before having any kind of meal, and then you can have whatever meal you want to have. You can have also nuts, or you can also have some walnuts, you can have some almonds, you can have all these things. The second reason is lack of nutrition. What do I mean by lack of nutrition? That is not the correct ratio of protein, carbs, fat, and then vitamin and calcium. When you have your food, you need to measure. You don't have to measure actually. You need to understand that there should be in proper proportion. You should know that how much protein you are having, how much carbs you are having, also how much good fat you are adding in that meal. So that should be in proper proportion. Then only it will be digested properly, and all those food values will be absorbed in your bodies, and then it will work like an energy. Not using correct cooking oil, yeah, that is the major issues. I already covered it in my one of the videos, like which oil is creating some kind of issues with the thyroid problems. If you want, you can watch that video as well. So you don't need to use that refined oils. They're really bad for you. Rather, you can switch to some virgin coconut oil, or if you're cooking something which is not needed some very high temperature, you can use virgin olive oil, and at the same time you can use mustard oil as well, but don't use those refined oils. Third one is eat and move. When you eat something, you should make it a habit like that. When you eat something, you need to move. Don't just eat and go to bed or something. Even there should be a gap at night, and even at when you have lunch, there should be a 1 hour gap or 1.5 hour gap. When you have food, at least you should have that 1 hour in between sleep and having food. You should roam around, or you should have a brisk work. So you need that time. The third point is not enough sleep. That is very important. We all know that, and for mothers, I understand that yes, it is really a problem to manage their babies during night time, to handle all those stuffs and to have that sleep. But you need to have a correct sleep. And sometimes some of my clients or some people, they say that they cannot sleep. They feel like they don't feel like sleeping. See, and you need to understand also sleep. You should have a specific sleep routine. You need to wake up in a particular time. You should not snooze your alarm clock, what I used to do. So I know the habit, that temptation. So you need to have that proper schedule when you need to go to bed, and what your babies will learn from you, right? You need to fix your own schedule. When you fix your own schedule of going to bed, you'll feel that at that particular time you'll feel like sleepy. And before that, no screen time. That is really important, because when you are using that phone or any electronic gadgets or some kind of other things, like whatever it is, this blue lights, it's causing that, that is sending some signal to your brain that still it's morning, because your brain cannot understand what is morning and what is night. If your eyes are continuously sensing that light, that bright light, and it's having a blue light effect, and this effect is causing your brain to stimulate. So because of that, you are not feeling like you're feeling that sleep, you're feeling that relaxation in your brain, and you keep on doing all those things. So you need to minimize your screen time. The third is no sleep hygiene. Yeah, you also need to take care of your bed. You need to take care of, before going to bed, you should have some rituals. Why I'm telling this rituals? Because you need to take care of everything before going to bed. You need to put some smaller light which is not that much of bright. You need to take a shower. That should be a warm shower. There's a warm water, a little bit of that will feel relaxed. That will give a relaxation in your body. You should have a clean clothes for sleeping. So those are the sleep hygiene you need to maintain before going to bed. You are really doing a great job, and I'm no one to judge you. But once you have that small changes in your life, you'll feel that what is the difference, how you are living your life, and how you are enjoying every moment of it. Once you start moving, once you start having that lifestyle, you'll be full of energy. People have a misconception that they feel that if they work out they'll get tired. The reverse is true. When you start moving, there is a hormone called endorphins. These hormones makes us feel active. That gives us the energy. So when you start moving, you feel that all kind of energy. You become more active. So once you change certain lifestyles in your life, you will start enjoying your life. You'll start enjoying every moment of your life. This is my gratitude to all mothers, because where we are right now, because of mothers, because of everything. And that is the best thing what I can do for mothers to make their lives better. What I can do for them is helping them to find the best version of themselves. Till then, take care, stay blessed, bye bye.